In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a bank account from Zoho Books. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you can easily follow along. First, let's begin by navigating to the banking section in the left-hand sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. This is where all your linked bank accounts are managed, providing you with a centralized location to oversee all your financial engagements. Once there, you'll be presented with a list of all the bank accounts currently associated with your Zoho Books account. Now, locate and select the specific bank account that you'd like to remove. Make sure you're picking the right account, especially if you have multiple accounts linked. Double-check that it's indeed the one you want to delete. Selecting the wrong account can lead to unnecessary hassle, so take a moment to ensure accuracy. With your chosen bank account on screen, your next step is to click on the gear icon located in the top right corner. This icon is your gateway to the settings and management options for your selected bank account. Clicking on the gear icon will open up a drop-down menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select the delete option. It's important to note that this action is the initial stage of removing the bank account from your Zoho Books. Selecting delete is a crucial part of the process, so confirm that you have chosen this from the drop-down menu. After you've done that, you will see a pop-up confirmation window appear on your screen. This step is vital as it acts as a final verification to prevent accidental deletions of indispensable accounts. Carefully read the information presented in the pop-up, which will likely remind you of the consequences of deleting this bank account, such as the loss of all historical transaction data associated with it. If you are absolutely sure that you want to proceed, go ahead and click on the Delete It button in the pop-up. This confirmation seals the process, effectively removing the bank account from your Zoho Books setup. And there you have it. Your selected bank account should now be deleted from Zoho Books. Remember, once removed, the associated transaction history for this particular account is also permanently erased, so always double-check that you've selected the right bank account before proceeding with the deletion. Thank you for following along with me today, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful for managing your accounts within Zoho Books. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.